Welcome back to Future Cars Technologies AI. Today, I'm excited to show you one of the most premium and powerful full-size trucks Toyota has ever built. This is a Toyota Tundra Capstone iForce Max Hybrid in a beautiful white color. A truck that blends luxury, advanced engineering, and serious capability. If you've been searching for a pickup that can work hard, ride comfortably, and still deliver incredible technology, the Capstone trim might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with a first impression. In white, the Tundra Capstone looks bold, clean, and extremely classy. The color highlights every sculpted line and muscular curve across the body, giving the truck a commanding presence on the road. Up front, the massive chrome grille instantly tells you this is a top trim in the Tundra lineup. Paired with LED headlights, daytime running lights, and premium chrome accents, the Capstone carries a look that's both tough and luxurious. Even the 22-inch wheels, exclusive to the Capstone model, add to the premium feel while keeping a rugged stance. Under the hood is where things get even more interesting. The iForce Max hybrid powertrain is a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor to produce an impressive 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. That's a huge boost in performance compared to many trucks in the segment. The hybrid system isn't just about fuel efficiency. It's designed to give instant torque, stronger towing power, and a smoother driving experience. You get power when you need it and quiet, efficient operation when cruising. Toyota combines this with a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts cleanly and keeps the truck responsive in every situation. Step inside and you'll immediately understand why the Capstone is considered a luxury truck. The cabin is a mix of premium materials, smart technology, and comfort-focused design. The white truck pairs beautifully with the two-tone semi-aniline leather seats, real walnut wood trim, and ambient lighting. Everything feels upscale. The 14-inch touchscreen in the center gives you seamless access to navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's newest multimedia system. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster adds modern clarity to the driver's view. And for music lovers, the 12-speaker JBL sound system fills the cabin with crisp, rich audio. Comfort is a major highlight in the Capstone. With heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, power running boards, and a quiet cabin thanks to acoustic glass windows, every drive feels peaceful and premium. This truck is built for long trips, tough jobs, and even daily commutes, all while keeping passengers comfortable and relaxed. When it comes to capability, Toyota made sure the Capstone Hybrid delivers. The towing capacity reaches around 10,340 pounds, depending on configuration. You also get features like trailer backup assist, a surround view camera system with off-road views, and multiple drive modes to handle different terrains. Whether you're hauling equipment, towing a boat, or exploring off-road trails, the Capstone handles it with confidence. Safety is another strong point. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 comes standard, bringing features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alerts. With the elevated ride, powerful brakes, and wide stance, the Tundra feels secure even in demanding driving conditions. Now for the price. The Toyota Tundra Capstone iForce Max Hybrid generally starts around $79,000 to $82,000 in the United States, depending on options and dealership pricing. For everything you're getting, the luxury interior, hybrid powertrain, premium technology, and strong towing capability, it's one of the most feature-packed trucks in its class. The Tundra Capstone iForce Max Hybrid in white is more than a pickup. It's a statement of power, efficiency, and modern engineering. It's built for people who want a tough workhorse but also demand luxury, tech, and refinement. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more future-focused vehicles, make sure to subscribe to Future Cars Technologies AI. Hit the like button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.